Sue, thank you for sitting down with me today to answer these questions about Manufacturing Day for the upcoming month of October. How are you doing today?
I'm doing well. Thanks for having me.
Yeah.
Hello everybody, my name is Ben Nordman with Obsidian Manufacturing. October 1st is considered Manufacturing Day in the United States, with the whole month of October following as Manufacturing Month. Throughout the month of October, the Technology and Manufacturing Association is bringing a series called Ask the Makers. As a proud member of TMA, we have decided to go along with that at Obsidian Manufacturing and do our own little Ask the Makers.
We'll just get right into the questions here. So how many years have you been working in manufacturing?
I've been around manufacturing my whole life. My father was a machinist and worked for different manufacturing companies, and at one time owned his own manufacturing company. After I graduated high school, I went to college for a while, and I worked at a CPA firm, and my clients that I worked for were manufacturing companies. So I've pretty much been around manufacturing most of my life.
How did you get started in the position that you're in today, or the Obsidian brands that you've been involved with?
It goes back to my dad and my husband. Magna-Lock and Arter were at one time owned by my dad, and we bought them from him or acquired them through the years indirectly from him. And my husband was a machinist when he first started working out of high school, and then he started working for my dad as worked up to plant superintendent, and then went out on his own and bought Magna-Lock, and that's where it started.
So now a little bit more fun parts of the interview. What is most enjoyable about your job in manufacturing?
Solving our customers' problems. We get a lot of customers that come to us with unique parts that need to be held or ground or machining processes, and we help them through that. And it's satisfying to be able to solve a problem for them.
So moving into the future of manufacturing, over the next 10 years or so, what are some things that you would want to see change or develop within the industry?
I would like to see more women become involved in the industry, and a younger generation. Besides innovating and just growth, I like to see things reshored here. I guess that's a lot. I've named several things, but I think we're on the verge of all of that happening.
Thank you all for checking in today to this week's version of Ask the Makers Obsidian. Next week, I'll sit down with a longtime member of the Obsidian brands, David Nordman, our Vice President. In the meantime, you can check out our social media channels by clicking the link in our bio or checking out our website, obsidianmfg.com. Thanks for checking in.